Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will compare Cadillac Escalade versus Denali Ultimate. We'll dive into what makes each of these full-size luxury SUVs stand out, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. We'll examine their distinct approaches to luxury, performance, and overall value. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle aligns with your preferences for comfort, technology, and driving experience. Let's get started. When it comes to interior luxury, the Cadillac Escalade often presents a more overtly opulent cabin, with unique design elements and high-end finishes. The Denali Ultimate, however, counters with its own impressive array of premium materials and exceptional comfort, providing a sophisticated and refined experience. Both vehicles integrate advanced infotainment systems, large digital displays, and a suite of driver assistance technologies, ensuring a connected and secure journey for everyone inside. Under the hood, both the Escalade and Denali Ultimate offer powerful engine options, typically a large V8, delivering robust horsepower and torque for confident acceleration and highway cruising. The Escalade often features a more refined suspension setup, contributing to a smoother, more isolated ride quality. Meanwhile, the Denali Ultimate is renowned for its strong towing capabilities, making it an excellent choice for those needing to haul trailers or boats. Both provide a commanding presence on the road. Ultimately, choosing between the Escalade and Denali Ultimate often comes down to personal preference and budget. The Denali Ultimate typically presents a compelling value proposition, offering a luxurious experience with robust capabilities at a slightly more accessible price point. The Escalade, with its iconic styling and heightened sense of luxury, often commands a higher premium. Both are exceptional vehicles, but your ideal choice depends on whether you prioritize ultimate opulence or a blend of luxury and practicality. Check the description for a link to these leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.